Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy A80 and A80, as well as the Mi Note 10 Lite is powered by Snapdragon 730G chipset, and also we get the 8GB of RAM on both these two devices. So I am super excited to see how much a difference between a beast Samsung A80 versus the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A80, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And both phones is running on Android 10. We have a MIUI 11 on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite compared to a Samsung One UI 2.0 on the Samsung Galaxy A80, and you can see in the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A80. And guys, I don't receive the One UI 2.1 update on the Samsung Galaxy A80 right now. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a beautiful display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy A80, and also this phone give you a new infinity display, and you can see on the front we don't get any notch or any hole on the A80, because the Samsung Galaxy A80 gave you a pop-up selfie camera, and you can see, and it uses the back camera as the front camera as well. And you can see you can also use the ultra wide, which is available on the back, and you can see it is a really unique feature which I really like on this phone. Pop-up selfie camera, it is not as durable as the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, does not give you any moving parts. And while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite comes with a full HD AMOLED screen, and it is also a curved display, and you can see which gives a more premium feel when you're holding this phone in your hand, and back is made up of glass on both these two devices. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, you can see that everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. And you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there, and both phones give you a same chipset. I have to say again, settings, and again about the same on both phones. Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see that Samsung Galaxy A80 it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it's very smooth on both phones. Instagram, and that is a little bit faster on the Galaxy A80. Snapchat, and that was exactly the same on both phones, maybe a little bit faster on the Note 10 Lite. My Files, and that is huge faster on the Samsung Galaxy A80. Now let's launch some games application for checking out the performance between these two devices. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see that the Samsung Galaxy A80 is just a tiny bit faster there, but both phones give you a same chipset. I would say that Samsung One UI is more optimized than the Xiaomi MIUI. The Subway Surfer, and let's see who is faster again. And Samsung Galaxy A80 this time is faster, no, I have to say. And you can see Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there, and you can see sometimes the A80 is faster, and sometimes the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is faster there. The Temper Run 2 and launching at the same time, and you can see that this time Samsung Galaxy A80 it is definitely faster there, while the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. The Twitter, and exactly the same on both phones. The Zedge, and that is little bit faster on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and you can see little bit faster there. Mic Lock, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A80. And last summer launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A80, followed by the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. And I know that the Samsung Galaxy A80 it is a lot expensive phone than the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, especially in Pakistan market. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser versus a Google Chrome on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and you can see, and the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is faster there, followed by the A80. Next on the list is the WWE.com, and it is a heavy website. Let's see, this time it is faster there, and you can see that the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite it is definitely faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A80 it is also right behind there, and you can see about 2 or 3 second difference there. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones is give you a 8 GB of RAM, but there is a one more variant of the Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite that comes with a 6 GB of RAM, but this is a 8 GB of RAM variant. Phone dialer, refresh, settings, Amazon shopping, refresh, Instagram, refresh, let's see Snapchat, my files, that seems like refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Sega, and that is 100% refresh. Let's see Subway Surfer, let's see Temple Run 2, again refresh. And you can see that the RAM measurement, it is really bad on the Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite. Sometimes it is performed really good, but sometimes it is not performed good. Zach, my clock. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A80 thanks to a Samsung more optimized UI, while the Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite, it is right behind to the Samsung Galaxy A80 in every application. But the RAM measurement, it is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A80, but many application refresh on the Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates on the Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A80 versus the Xiaomi Mi Note and Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.